Good morning, and good morning. It's Tuesday morning. It is March the 24th, and we are starting the day dry, but with a lot of clouds overhead. And it's going to stay dry throughout the day today, and we're probably going to see a fair amount of clouds throughout the day today. But I do hold out some hope for at least a little bit of limited sunshine. I'll explain coming up. Sunrise this morning occurs at 7:17. It sets this evening at 7:36. And the average high and low today are 53 and 33. And I think we're going to be right in that ballpark of average this afternoon. Hope your morning is off to a great start. And if it's not, you still have time. You still have all day for things to get better. So I certainly hope it does move in a positive direction. Thanks for joining me here for Whiteboard Weather on this Tuesday morning. And when you have time in the future, I'd love for you to check out my website. It is PittsburghWeatherNow.com. This is what you see when you access the home page. Right at the top, we have a couple links to the theme song, the Pittsburgh Weather Now shop, where you can get all of your merchandise, and then you can access the full library of Whiteboard Weather segments, including some educational information that's available as well. Have a new sort of educational article that'll be dropping later this morning. Scroll a little further down and you can access the Braun Bostic and Associates All-Weather Wealth Tips. Great, and I mean great, financial information for free there. Lots of great tips. So check out the full library there. The Buell Insurance Agency photo gallery, lots of great photo galleries we add to on a regular basis. And Doug Martin and his team have photos and videos from their job site, the Martin Lawn Services photos and videos. You can access it all right there at the homepage as well. It is PittsburghWeatherNow.com. Speaking of the weather now, it's cloudy outside, and you can see temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Newcastle, 36. Butler, 36. 37 in Beaver Falls. 38 in Pittsburgh. 38 in Washington. Latrobe, the warm spot at 39 degrees. So upper 30s if you're stepping out the door first thing this morning, whether it be for a walk or maybe to head to the grocery store or whatever your needs might be. Some national days today before we get over to the whiteboard, and then we'll run down a few birthdays as well. It's National Chocolate Covered Raisin Day today. It's National Cheese Steak Day today. And it's American Diabetes Association Alert Day today. Born on this day, Peyton Manning, Tommy Hilfiger was born on this day. Comedian Louis Anderson. If you watch the show The Big Bang Theory, actor Jim Parsons, and the late Harry Houdini. And we could use a little Harry Houdini to make the virus disappear sooner rather than later. So that would be great. Unfortunately, it's not possible. All right, let's get over to the whiteboard, get you the information that you need, and then you can get on with your day. Today, again, a dry day. We talked about this yesterday, much improved over yesterday, and just in the fact that it would be not as damp and rainy as it was yesterday, but I still think we're expecting a fair amount of clouds. I am going to allow for limited sunshine. So your breakdown today at 8 a.m., 38 degrees, cool with clouds. At noon, 45. Again, limited sunshine or at least a brightening of the skies. I anticipate morning through early afternoon, and then mostly cloudy and 52 at 4 o'clock, but a dry day from starts until finish. So if you do want to get outside for a walk today, maybe a jog, take the dog for a walk with your social distancing in mind, you'll be able to do so today. Showers return tonight. There'll be another round of light showers. I think it's tonight and mainly tomorrow morning. And then a mild surge of temperatures into the 60s will start Thursday And that's going to last into the weekend as well. So we're going to put together a series of 60-plus degree days. Unfortunately, the pattern for the weekend looking ahead, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, looks unsettled, which means I think there'll be a daily chance to see some rain showers Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So enjoy the dry days when you can. And today will be one of those dry days with, again, a high temperature of 52. I will let you know, FYI, we will likely have a dry afternoon tomorrow. So for your planning purposes, Wednesday afternoon will probably be dry, and I think all day Thursday will be dry as well. So you can plan accordingly for the days that you want to get outside and get some fresh air. So there you go. I will also let you know, I'll be putting out the official post later today. If you or someone you know would like to join or has kids that would like to join, we're going to be doing I'm going to be doing volume 2 of Weather School coming up tomorrow, Wednesday at noon. So Wednesday at noon, volume 2 of Weather School. We'll do a little weather education. I'll get some questions answered, and we'll pretty much do similar to what we did last week. If you didn't see Weather School last week, you can still access that, but we'll do another day of Weather School tomorrow at noon, Wednesday at noon, and I'll put out a post later today with this specific information, but just an FYI for you to spread the information if you know somebody who you think would enjoy a little weather education. One final note today, your little factoid of the day, a little education. Did you know the sun, which we don't see a lot of this time of year in Pittsburgh, is 20 years old? You're saying, explain, Jeff. How is the sun only 20 years old? It has completed only 20 orbits around our galaxy center 20 times since it first sparked to life. So it's only completed 20 orbits around the center of the galaxy since its birth. So that is why the sun is 20. Hopefully we see a little bit of our friend the sun at some point this morning or early this afternoon. That's going to do it for today. Hope you have yourself an outstanding Tuesday. I will see you at 3 o'clock this afternoon with our Whiteboard Weather afternoon segment. We'll break down the rest of the week in greater detail. And again, we're here every day at 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. And a reminder, Weather School will be in session tomorrow, Wednesday at noon. Spread the word. Have a great morning and afternoon, everyone. I'll see you at 3 o'clock. Peace.